Hi guys, in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can install a Forex robot into your MT4 or MT5 account. So please stick with me to the end of this video. So let's get started. So in case you downloaded your robot in any place, so the first thing you go to your file. So where you save your robot, right man? So you can see I save my own on my documents. So you can see I have opened it over right here, my FxBillprobot, right? And you can see the set file and the robot file. So I'm going to copy right here, right? So then I'm going to minimize. So when I minimize, I'm going to go to my MT4 platform, which you can see. Then you double tap. Once you double tap, it's going to open automatically. Then you are going to go to your file. You can see, take note, that is file. Then you go to your open data folder. Take note, open data folder, right? Okay, so once you open your open data folder, it's going to take you to MQL4. MQL4, take note of this. Then you go to your expert, right? Then you paste the FX or your robot file, right? Then once you paste it, right, which you can see I have pasted it, then you minimize, right? Then you minimize and go back to your MT4. Then you go to, right, you go to your view. Then you go to your navigator. Then you click on expert, you right click and refresh. Exactly, you can see the FxBillprobot as installed successful right here. Then all right, another one, you make sure that this auto trading is turned on. If it is off, you can see it's going to show red, and if it is on, it's going to show green. All right, now I'm trading gold. I'm going to drag gold chart on it, man, right? All right, so I'm going to drag the expert advisor FxBillprobot. Then I'm going to load, right? Then I'll go to my document where I save the set file, right, which you can see over right here. All right, man, so you can see I've clicked over right here. Then I've clicked the set file. Then I'll press OK. Automatically you can see right there. Then I'll press OK. You make sure that this is saved on a 15-minute time frame, which you can see 15-minute time frame chart, right? So if you can look very closely, immediately we install the Forex robot, you can see it has just taken trade and is going another direction. All right, so man, thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you are just seeing this video for the first time, so that whenever I drop a new update, you'll be notified. And also, if you're interested in having this Forex robot, don't forget to comment I am interested and come back to my DM. I'm going to connect this Forex robot on our end for you so that you can start making free profit. Thank you.